So here we are going to fix this fireplace. I have used this before on our other fireplaces, and the look where it's like half burnt like this, I don't really like. So I have been using for years the Rust Oleum high heat paint. This is simple and easy to do. Don't be worried that you're going to mess it up. You really can't. You're going to stir this very well, okay? You're going to want to make sure it's completely stirred and ready to go. You're going to need some little detail brushes and some foam paint brushes. As you can tell here, I'm just going to dab this in, and you can start off slow. Just simply start dabbing where the fireplace brick is and just start going over it. Now, this one actually is going to end up needing 2 coats, and that is because I like to do it a little bit thinner on the first coat, and on the second coat, I want to make sure it's covered. That way, after we go to use it in the fall and in the winter, it's going to stay without fading so quickly. This just gives it an updated look, makes it look like it was brand new, and it's a trick that I've been using for years. I highly recommend the Rust Oleum High Heat Paint. This is perfect for your interior fireplace stone.